If your marriage has experienced a collapse, you are likely navigating what we call Season 4. It is a period of marital dormancy. You are working on yourself, isolated in the quiet, and constantly wondering when it is finally safe to reach back out to your spouse. That isolation breeds a deep emotional longing. You want the pain to stop. You feel hopeful, and you feel entirely willing to try again. But acting on that willingness alone is the primary reason couples fail to restore their relationships. The biggest danger isn't waiting too long. The danger is attempting to reconnect prematurely. Willingness is an emotion. It tricks us into assuming that the desire to heal is the same as the preparation to heal. When you rely solely on hope to bridge the gap between two injured people, you inevitably repeat the same relational crashes, causing even more trauma. Consider commercial aviation. A pilot never brings a plane down to the runway simply hoping the landing gear will hold. They rely on rigorous, objective verification. Crossing from the dormancy of Season 4 back into the active recourtship of Season 1 demands that exact same structural rigor. You need the Season 1 pre-flight checklist. This is a non-negotiable diagnostic tool designed to measure actual readiness before you ever attempt to take flight. Emotional longing cannot keep you safe in the air. Objective measurement is the only way to protect both you and your partner from further injury. The checklist evaluates 3 critical areas. The first is your independent identity. If you approach your spouse out of a desperate need for them to soothe your anxiety or validate your worth, that is merely willingness. True readiness means you have forged your own marital mission statement and established spiritual and emotional stability entirely on your own. Absolute self-containment is a prerequisite. You cannot safely engage with a spouse if your spiritual survival depends on their behavior. The second area is contingency and safety planning. Readiness requires you to identify your exact emotional triggers before encountering them. You must have a dignified retreat plan for the moment you feel your battery draining, and a rejuvenation plan to recover your strength. Re-entering courtship after trauma is terrifying. True courage means moving forward because your mapped reasons for trying are verifiably stronger than your fears. Without a mapped strategy, the first sign of conflict will trigger panic, destroying any hard-earned progress. The final category on the checklist evaluates your motive. A willing motive drives you towards your spouse to consume reassurance. You want them to prove they are safe. A ready motive means you approach them with charity and mercy. True readiness requires the emotional surplus to actually give on these initial dates, without demanding an immediate return on your investment. You are ready for Season 1 when your primary capacity is offering a safe environment to your partner, rather than just demanding one for yourself. As you work through the pre-flight checklist, you will likely find gaps. Finding a blind spot is not a failure or a judgment. It means the protective mechanism is functioning exactly as intended. If you discover a weakness, do not panic and do not proceed. You simply remain in Season 4 to address it. To fix those gaps, we use an engineered protocol, the DPAR cycle. First, discover what triggered your weakness. Then, plan an actionable experiment to correct your response. Next, act on that plan daily. Finally, reflect honestly on the spiritual growth that action produced. Dedicating yourself to this closed-loop cycle takes a glaring relational vulnerability and systematically reinforces it until it becomes a structural strength. Successful marital reunification does not happen because two people are overwhelmingly willing to try. It happens because two people are verifiably ready. Once the solitary, independent work of Season 4 is completely validated by your checklist, you can safely cross the threshold and begin the courtship of Season 1. Stop relying on hope to do the work of preparation. Download the Season 1 pre-flight checklist and begin measuring your readiness today.